What's up, you guys, and welcome back. We are back for our second unboxing for Boxycharm for August. I just recently posted 2 days ago, I want to say, my other unboxing for Boxycharm. So if you guys haven't seen that, that one's right before this video. So make sure to check out that one so you guys can see two different variations. I didn't expect this box again to come as quickly as it did, and again, for the last video, I did mention in the other video as well that I did not get any tracking information as well as this box. So I don't know if maybe some of my stuff went to junk or what happened, but I can't seem to find any of the packing information. We are gonna get diving into it. I know that this month's theme is the glamping or clamping or glamping. What is it called? Boxy glamping. I have variation number 14. So first thing I have is by QMS. This is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, which looks like this. This is the exact same thing I got in my last box, so I will not be opening this. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along. I am so confused right now. I have no idea which box is which. I'm looking at this right now and I want to say that this is my box. All right. So next thing I have here is by Morphe. I did receive this also in my last box. This is the Morphe. I got this 4-piece eye collection. I'm going to leave this in the box because I actually did receive this in my last box that we just unopened. And I opened those. So let me show you these, which is what it looks like. So you get a set of 4 different brushes in the collection. And I haven't played around with these yet. I still will, but I just want to show you guys what my set looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put this set probably in a giveaway, which I'm planning to do for my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because I'm going to be posting a giveaway here this week and those 2 items will be featured in there. Next item I have is the Milk Makeup. These are the cooling water eye patches. It says chill out your tired under eyes with these cooling deep puffy gel patches packed with caffeine seawater. How many's in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, very cool. I didn't even know Milk Makeup made cooling eye patches. Okay. Next thing I have here is called the Big Fat Liner, and this is the Kohl marker pen. I'm looking at this stuff right now and I have a feeling that this is my PR box. So the last box I got was the box that I paid for, which I find to be very strange because I normally get my PR box before I get my paid box. So I have a feeling that this is my PR box. But this is the Kohl marker pen. Oh, nice big fat chubby pen. And all right, looks like that. I kind of like these chubby pens. I find them to sometimes be a little bit easier to work with. And then the last thing I have, which is kind of cool, so I only know about this palette because so many of you guys told me in the last video that you guys ended up getting the Teddy Boy palette. This is the Butter London 9-piece eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like, and then you're gonna open it, take the little thing out, and that is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. It's much more cool tone. I don't know why, but I think when I looked at the Instagram, Boxycharm's Instagram, it just looks so much more warmer tone for some reason. First shade I have is called Freddy, which looks like that right there. Then I have Simon, which is the larger, like light brown shade. I've got Mick right here, nice grayish blue tone. Francis is like a cool tone brown right there. Billy, a nice cool tone copper. Nigel is a matte white. Archie, this looks like it would be a really good inner corner highlight. Is this one. Graham is this cool tone chocolate brown. And then Rupert is, it's like a bluish black shade. So there you have it. All of those shades. I'm not mad about this palette, honestly. I like cool tone colors and I like playing with them. If my voice sounds funny, I feel like it's cracking. My allergies are so bad and it gets like really raspy, so I apologize. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the Pretty Vulgar palettes. Remember, they made like a cooler tone one? That's what this reminds me of. I'm interested to see how many people enjoy the the Teddy Boy, is that what they call it? The Teddy Boy palette, because I feel like a lot more people really enjoy warmer tones than they do cool tones. So you guys let me know if you received this palette and what your thoughts are on it. So that is everything that I received in this box. I will say that I think it's an okay box. Is it my favorite? No, it's not. I mean, honestly, I've seen a lot better from Boxycharm, but you guys let me know down below what your thoughts are, and if you got any of the same products that I did, what your thoughts are, if you've already tried them, how you feel about them. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will stick around and hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys all in my next video. I hope you guys will stay safe, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.